Fast cars, giant houses, and heavy diamond chains are often used to sell a specific image of success. But for most people, these flashy items are actually just clever marketing tools designed to empty your pockets and keep you in debt. The people who actually build lasting wealth look at money differently. They don't use their cash to perform for strangers. They see capital as a resource that powers their daily life and growth. They follow a strict logic where every dollar spent must return more than a dollar's worth of value, whether that's in extra time, better health, or more energy. To avoid the trap of going broke, you have to stop buying things that lose value the moment you take them home. Instead, you can focus on 15 specific, data-backed ways to upgrade your own life, investments that actually pay for themselves. Making these shifts is the mathematical difference between watching your savings vanish and building a financial fortress that grows stronger every year. Take a look at this data on earnings. You'll notice a clear 15% spike in income for people who invest in their physical presentation. Addressing things like crooked teeth or skin health isn't about vanity. It's about making sure your first impression with a partner or client signals that you are capable and sharp. When you remove physical insecurities, you stop wasting mental energy on self-consciousness. That extra focus creates a ripple effect of confidence that helps you perform better in every negotiation you enter. Maintaining high performance also requires a body that can handle long hours of work. Hiring an elite trainer and paying them up front takes away the daily struggle of deciding to go to the gym. You just follow the data. This chart shows how your health can improve with the right recovery tools. Using a high-temperature sauna just once a week drops the risk of heart issues by 27%. If you do it 4 times a week, that risk plummets by nearly 50%. Investing in your appearance and your physical strength are calculated moves. These upgrades are designed to give you more energy now and buy you extra years of high-quality life in the future. Recovery is the foundation of clear thinking. Since you spend exactly 1/3 of your life on a mattress, that surface dictates how you feel for the other 2/3 of your day. Because the quality of your rest determines your focus, investing 3 times more than average in a premium sleep system is one of the smartest mathematical moves you can make. High-quality pillows and breathable cotton sheets also help your body stay at the right temperature. This ensures you stay in deep sleep longer, so you wake up feeling genuinely recharged. Your diet needs a similar upgrade. When you're first starting out, you might eat whatever is cheap just to survive. But as your business grows, you have to treat food as high-grade fuel for your body and brain. Instead of eating large amounts of low-quality food, focus on small, nutrient-dense meals. Every ingredient you eat should either give you mental clarity or be part of a specially planned, enjoyable dining experience. By fixing your sleep and raising the quality of your nutrition, you remove the constant lethargy that keeps most people from reaching their full potential.
Capital allows you to manipulate time. By paying for convenience, like airport fast passes or private transport, you are effectively buying back your wasted hours. This allows you to stay focused on high-level work while others are stuck waiting in line. Where you live also changes your success rate. Moving to a high-density wealth hub puts you in the same room as the people making big decisions. When physically close to the money, it becomes much easier for that money to find you. In the beginning, you might say yes to every invitation to build your network, but once you've reached a certain level, you have to start saying no by default. This completely protects your calendar and keeps your days open. Ruthlessly protecting your time from casual requests is the only way to find the deep focus needed for multi-million-dollar ideas. You need quiet space for your brain to do its best work. By moving to where the opportunities are and guarding your schedule, you create the mental room required for major strategic breakthroughs. This dashboard shows how you can automate your wealth. By setting your accounts to automatically route a percentage of your income into investments, you take the emotion out of saving. At the same time, outsourcing household chores frees up your evenings for rest or new projects. Using your extra cash to pay off a family member's debt or cover a group vacation is also a high-yield move. It removes survival anxiety from the people you care about, making your own social environment much healthier. You can even simplify your daily choices by building a small, high-quality wardrobe.
Choosing timeless, well-made clothes removes the constant need to follow trends and makes getting ready effortless. When you automate your finances and simplify your lifestyle, you finally free up massive amounts of mental energy. You are finally clear to focus on the next big phase of your journey. Top performers never stop learning. They just get better teachers. Paying for an hour of advice from an expert might seem expensive, but it's the fastest way to gain years of experience and avoid making costly mistakes. Beyond just collecting assets, you should also invest in unique experiences. Taking challenging trips and exploring new cultures builds a rare perspective that makes you a more charismatic and capable leader. As your income scales, shifting your focus to helping others can actually help you grow. Dedicating a portion of your revenue to social impact projects builds trust and credibility, which often leads to even bigger business opportunities. Standard high-rate taxes can unnecessarily erode your capital if you aren't prepared. By working with legal experts to structure your business properly, you can insulate those assets and keep more of your money working for you. Solving these financial challenges gives you the absolute freedom to rewrite your daily life. You can move into new industries, start foundations, or master a new craft without ever having to worry about how you'll pay the bills. You can keep following the standard consumer path, or you can take control and reinvest in these 15 upgrades to build a life of true security. Subscribe to the Money Formula and start building that fortress today.